What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to do a quick video and show you how to reset the oil life on a 2021 Ford Bronco. Like I said, I'm going to be working on a 21 Bronco in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. So the first thing we need to do is have our ignition in the on position. So we're going to press the stop-start button one time without pressing the brake. I believe you can also do this running, but I'm going to do it from the on position. So once we're in there, what we need to do is come over here on the right hand side of the steering wheel. Just press OK to get out of these messages. After we do that, what we want to do is press the menu button right here. And that's going to take you to the main menu. Then what we're going to do is scroll all the way down until we have the settings menu highlighted. Then press OK. Then once you're on this screen, we're going to scroll all the way down until we have oil life highlighted, and then press OK. And then once you're on this screen, what you're going to do is press and hold down the OK button. So I'm going to press and hold this OK button down. And then as you see there, it reset to 100%. So that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.